about to eat it up. Eat it up, pick it up, pick it up. Girl got tricks, she be starting on a polo. Girl got tricks, like I'm starting in a polo. Give me that thing, I'ma show you how to go all night. Like, baby, you got that high. Flex and chill, baby, let me slide. All this Tennessee, got me feeling nice now. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Tennessee, got me feeling nice now. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Got me feeling nice now. Let me take you for a ride. I'm the man though, we can turn up the mood real nice though. Get the room going round in a candle. All these curves on you, I'ma handle. Baby, jump in this number, let's ride. Let's fly, kick it by in the G5. Get nasty, I know you love that, girl. Show me what you like, we'll go with it all, girl. In this number, let's ride. Let's fly, kick it by in the G5. Get nasty, I know you love that, girl. Show me what you like, we go with it all, girl. Show me what you like, we go with it all, girl.
Let's learn Netflix and Chill. It's choreographed by Mark Furnell and Chris Godden. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance with steps and counts. We'll then do the front wall with steps and counts before going all the way around the room, alternating between steps and counts so then you can rock it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Netflix and Chill. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, right and left. So walk right, walk left. You're going to now do an anchor step. So we're going to step this right foot, locking it behind your left. Recover back onto your left and step your right foot back. That anchor step is going to slightly put you off center. This step back is going to square you back up to the front wall. We're now going to do 2 walks back, left and right. And we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the side, doing a big drag to the left and dragging our right foot in to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6 quarters, 7, 8. Next section, we're going to do a ball cross side. So we're going to step this right foot in, step it next to your left, cross your left over your right, and step your right foot to the side. We're now going to do a left weave, behind side cross, left behind side cross. Rock your right foot to the right side, cross it over your left, step your left foot to the side, and step your right foot behind your left and behind. We're going to end that dance by making a quarter turn over our left shoulder, tapping our left foot twice. Just the tip of your toe, tap, tap. And it's going to make a quarter turn. As you do that, you're going to also lift your right hand up in the air and tap your hand forward as you tap your foot. Okay, let's try that with some counts. We just dragged for 7, 8 ball cross. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. And you're going to end that section facing 6 o'clock. Our next section, section 3, we're going to continue that press that we just did. We're going to press it forward with our left to end that tapping section. Recover on your right and do a left coaster step back together forward. We're now going to do a cross samba. So we're going to cross our right over our left, rock up on the ball of your left foot, pushing that hip to the side, recover onto your right. Now cross your left over your right, make a quarter turn stepping back with your right, and step your left next to your right. Your weight will be on your left foot and you'll end that section facing 3 o'clock. So let's try it. We just ended with 8 and. We're pressing for 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, our final section of the dance. We're going to press forward on this right foot, rock, recover. We're going to do syncopated step touches back, right and left. Step right, touch left. Back left, touch right. We're now going to step our right foot into the right diagonal and step our left next to our right. So you're going to go step, touch. Now we're going to do a step together step into the left diagonal, left together, left. To end the dance, the way that it is officially choreographed is we're going to make a half turn going quarter-quarter. You're going to make a quarter turn bringing this right foot into your left, and then make a quarter turn stepping your left foot next to your right, and you'll end facing 9 o'clock. The alternate ending, which is your choice if you do, after we do that step together step, is to make 2 quarter hops, hop, hop. And you want to end with your weight on your left foot so you can walk forward. Now, if you do those hops, that's on you. I personally do the quarter-quarter on walls 1 and 4, and the hops on all the rest of the walls, because wall 1 and 4 are the only walls that don't end with whoop whoop, and I like to hop on the whoop whoop. So it's your choice on where you add that or don't add it at all. All right, so let's practice it with the counts, 1 time with the quarter-quarter and 1 time with the hop hop. So weights on your left foot we just did together, you're pressing forward. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and then you would start all over with your walks. Let's try that same section with the hops, so if you choose to do it. Weight is on your left foot, we're pressing forward with our right, so it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. Same count, you just hop 2 quarter turns and then start the dance all over again. Let's do the front wall 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts, so then we can go all the way around and practice all 4 walls. Weight is on your left foot, we're doing 2 walks forward. It's walk, walk, anchor, step, back, back, quarter drag, ball cross, side weave, behind side cross, side rock, cross, and behind quarter, tap, tap, press, recover, coaster, step, cross samba, cross quarter together, press, recover, back touch, diagonal touch, diagonal step together, step, quarter, quarter, and you're ready to start all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Walking it forward, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and then you start all over again. That is the whole dance. It has no ending. Your last wall, you'll do your whoop whoop, and you'll look over your right shoulder, but you'll be facing the side wall when you make that turn, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try going all the way around with the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we'll do counts, and I'm going to try and alternate between the quarter-quarter and the hop-hop, just so you can kind of get an idea of which one you would like to do. Walking forward, walk, walk, anchor, step, back, back, quarter drag, ball cross, side weave, behind side cross, side rock, cross, and behind, quarter tap, tap, press, recover, coaster, step, cross samba, cross quarter together, press, recover, back touch, diagonal touch, step together, step, quarter, quarter, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, anchor, step, back, back, quarter drag, ball cross, side weave, rock and cross, and behind, quarter tap, tap, press, recover, coaster, step, cross samba, cross quarter together, press, recover, back touch, diagonal touch, step together, step, quarter, quarter, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and ready to start all over again. Like I said, the hops and the hand motions are all up to you. If you choose not to do them, that is totally okay as well. You can just do the tap tap or the quarter quarter. I personally do walls 1 and 4, quarter quarter, the rest hop hop. but the choice is yours. I hope this helps you learn Netflix and chill. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.